Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, two new arrivals from eBay. This one, of course, is a new Lionel, surprisingly, locomotive. The other is the new train room mascot. Robin just surprised me with this and was delivered actually just a few minutes ago. She said she thought it would look really great in the train room as the new mascot for BENZTRAINZ. So, of course, this is Commodore Vanderbilt himself. Looking a bit worse the wear, but he has been dead for about 100 years. Anyway, I thought it was kind of cool. Got his hat on, and he's actually fully articulated. So you can pose him, move him, hang him, drape him, do anything you want with him. Perhaps put him in a wedding dress with a fire axe or something. Anyway, I just thought I'd do a quick video of Commodore Vanderbilt. Very few people have ever seen him. They've heard the name and they've seen the train that he's named after, but this is him, Commodore Vanderbilt himself. In any case, meanwhile, let me grab the tripod, get this camera set up, and we're going to open this new locomotive that just arrived from eBay. Give me a second here. Oh dear. All right, that's better. Now this is a Lionel 8500, and I found this on eBay for 12 bucks. And I actually made an offer on it, and the guy accepted. Now it's missing the stack. The stack on these locomotives just pull off, and we're basically interchangeable to use the body for several different locomotives. At least it seems like it. Anyway, if we can get this open. It is wrapped really well, no doubt about that. Hopefully there's no styrofoam peanuts hiding in here. Alright, going to go with the battle. Alright, I assume this is how we did it. Oh, I see what you did. All right, hold on. Wow. Beaten by a cardboard box. It's pretty bad. Well, it was real well wrapped. There's no doubt about that. All right, get this out of the way. Let's take a look at this, see what it looks like. There was only 2 photos, so no idea the actual condition of this. Well, I gotta give him an A+ for packing it. There's no doubt about that. Okay, here we go. There it is. Lionel 8500. It is complete, except it is missing the stack, as you can see. Really dry, as you can note out here. Alright, let me get the camera off the tripod. Now, I just got one of these the other day that came with that set of 3 locomotives. But as you see, it's in fairly decent shape. 12 bucks. And like I said, it's complete except it is missing the stack. So, in any case, let's turn the power on. I've done nothing to it. Let's see if it will run. Wow. It tries to. There we go. That's because it is so dry. You can hear the gears. There we go. Alright, so first thing I have to do is lubricate it before I even try to run it. But obviously it's going to run. I think once it's lubed, it's probably going to run just fine. So it is complete. Lionel 8500 switcher, missing the stack. So I will very likely fabricate one or take one off a 400 or similar locomotive just to give it a nice finished effect. But it's in decent shape. Been sitting for 40 years, 50 years, maybe longer than that. Difficult to say. These are from the 70s. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. It appears to be in fairly decent condition. It's got a full-size AC motor in it, which is one of the reasons I bought it. Anyway, made the guy an offer, 12 bucks, he accepted. Here it is. So up and running, once I lubricate that gear, or the motor and the bearings for the armature, this is gonna run really well. So I just wanted to do an unboxing video, and of course, introduce you all to Commodore Vanderbilt himself. So anyway, you'll be seeing a lot of this guy. He'll be hanging around forever now, literally, very likely. So just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.